Meghalaya is very unique. First of all, we do not have the Panchayati Raj institution. Kudumbashree and MSRLS had to work to kind of customize the convergence program in the state of Meghalaya. And Kudumbashree was able to showcase how community-based organizations such as Women Federation can work with the local governance institution in the state.
So we have the autonomous district councils for implementing rural development projects or any other social activities on ground. Meghalaya, we have three major tribes which we call Khasis, Garos and Jaintias. So likewise, the autonomous district councils also has been established based on these communities or tribes as of now.
We started this initiative to really understand the power of women's participation in the community institutions. Kudumbashree has done a phenomenal job in Kerala, especially enabling that women's participation in all spheres of economic life of women, and also of course the social life too. So the idea is that the state has very beautiful traditional institutions. What we are doing through this collaboration is that how actually we can bring in that democratic principles and values in terms of actually enabling a greater community participation.
The Institute of Panchayat Raj is being substituted by many different councils at the village level. There is a village council, and then there are village employment councils, and then there are village health councils. So there are numerous bodies in place of one single body. To bring all these institutions together is a challenge in itself. Secondly, the size of the villages here is very small. The terrain is difficult and the villages are far off from each other. Even for a small distance, it takes a lot of effort to traverse that because of the terrain.
We realize after the formation of self-help groups, and then the self-help group are being federated into higher level federations, and we could see like the SCGs have so much of demand which they want to even seek help from different departments and get their plans incorporated in the village organization or even in the cluster level federation. However, there is no platform where these women can submit their plan. They don't even aware how to approach the department or how to license with the department to get their demand materialized. We see that our women need the most of connecting themselves with different departments. We have been trying to integrate the village poverty reduction plan with MG Narega, with line department, but somehow there is a barriers and hindrance there to connect with them. So we thought like maybe by partnering with the National Resource Organization empaneled by the National Mission Management Unit, that might give us a guiding note how to go ahead and approach and help the community to meet the demands. Even the village level development plan, which village is being prepared. So it's somehow, we realize it's somehow men-centric, or it's just centered with infrastructure development. But there are a lot more that the women needs support. So that is how we decided, and we realized that we will be partnering with PRI SIBO Convergence through support of Kudumbashree, so that we can strengthen the community and bridge the gap which they have not been able to bridge for so long.
कम्युनिटी के साथ एक रिलेशनशिप बना पाए, रैपो बिल्ड कर पाए, तो इसलिए हमने इसमें फ़न गेम्स और एक्टिविटीज़ ही रखा था ताकि कम्युनिटी भी हमारे साथ कंफर्टेबल हो जाए और हम भी कम्युनिटी के साथ कंफर्टेबल हो जाए। ये ओरिएंटेशंस के बाद हमने जो है वो MGNREGA कैंपेन शुरू किया। यहाँ का जो विलेज एम्प्लॉयमेंट काउंसिल है वो अपना एनुअल एक्शन प्लान प्रिपेयर कर रहे थे। कुडुम्बश्री एनआरओ का जो पहला हमारा ऑब्जेक्टिव था वो यही था कि हम पार्टिसिपेटरी प्लानिंग को प्रमोट करें और डेमोक्रेटिक जो हमारा प्लेटफॉर्म है ग्राम सभा जिसको हम बोलते हैं उसमें काफ़ी अच्छे से प्लानिंग हो। तो ये VC का जो एनुअल एक्शन प्लान बन रहा था हमने उसी में इंश्योर किया कि कैसे ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोग उसमें जुड़ के अपना जो डिमांड है वो उस प्लेटफॉर्म पे रख पाए। और इस मनरेगा कैंपेन को हर गांव में फैसिलिटेट करने के लिए हमने लोकल रिसोर्स ग्रुप को सिलेक्ट किया। तो ये जो लोकल रिसोर्स ग्रुप है उनकी कैपेसिटी बिल्डिंग करने के लिए हमने सीरीज़ ऑफ मीटिंग्स और ओरिएंटेशंस और ट्रेनिंग्स रखे, जिससे हमने इंश्योर किया कि उनका जो कैपेसिटी है वो बिल्ड हो जाए।
We continued doing the village poverty reduction plan, because we understood that even though there is no fund in the community level except for the MJNREGA, the community had a lot of demands. There were a lot of gaps in the community regarding to awareness, regarding to access to entitlement, and regarding to basic knowledge of what schemes and supports they could get from the departments. Therefore, conducting the village poverty reduction plan was immensely important in the villages of Meghalaya. To start off, we selected local resource groups, the LRGs, as the food soldiers for the project. They were the important people in the community who used to implement the project activities, and these LRGs were selected from each VO. Strategizing the project in Meghalaya was initially a challenge because there was no community fund available with the village, and there was no 15th Finance Commission funds at the village level. We had given very intense trainings to the LRGs to go back to their VOs and conduct the village mapping process through which they would identify the community needs. And this was the very first time in the state of Meghalaya where the VOs as a federation came together as a collective and as a decision maker and was working along with the VECs to make the plan. We could see a sense of collectivism in identifying the community needs and also to address the community needs. Gram Sabha was a challenging thing in a village of Meghalaya where only Dorbar meetings used to happen. VO members as a job card holder used to definitely attend Dorbar meetings, but we wanted that collectivism to even come in a democratic platform which a Gram Sabha is. So to organize Gram Sabhas, the dates were fixed in discussions with the VECs, and the local resource groups along with the VOs and the SAGs mobilized the community.
NRO Kudumbashree supported us with 3 professionals and 4 community mentors, which we placed them in the pilot districts and blocks. We have been able to develop a very strong pool of resource persons at the community level, which we call local resource groups. We are expected through the local resource group, MSRLS or in Meghalaya, we will be able to scale up the project in the other district and block.
VPRP was a big opportunity to find out the status of the demand within the community. Before the VPRP plans preparation, we had conducted rounds of trainings for LRGs. After the completion of SSG level VPRP preparation, VO level consolidation was done.
VO selected me as LRG to work on the Mairang block. After I got training from NRO team Kerala, then I went to VO. At the SSG level, I make them to understand what is VPRP plan. Through VPRP, we can give awareness to the SSG so that they will know about different schemes from different line department.
Karep kabangarep te kadai bakongsan ukuba nang ta u pan bat ing kajing yo jongai kepawat trela ladan haki snam ke baman suang la persyang bangan wat kilat kilenti kumno bangan yo ya ka tengam yo ngala persyang kilat kilenti ban let banwat naki po industries kumto banbu diman hapo ka VPRP kadai betang da ka jing trang ka jongi hi kajing yo jongai ya kapawat trela kalong dai lomba kajing don jonga hapo ki SSG ke Banengkong nang ta ngadon ngade remember jong ka WO ngahi ngasngo bakladon sibon kejing mentoy namarba ngala pentrai haki pentor haki keper ki badan hani ki sinong janjan.
Thousands and thousands of participants coming forward from every village in Pura Khasia cluster, in Thebrong Grey cluster, Pura Khasia cluster under Dalu block and Thebrong Grey cluster under Rongram CNRD block. So these 2 blocks had a major involvement. The villages, the community members across this cluster, these 2 clusters, they came forward in hundreds and hundreds of them. They got the opportunity to meet the officials members from the line departments. If I say line departments, they include social welfare department, health department. Then we had a convergence between agriculture, horticulture, veterinary, fisheries, sericulture. We had teams from the COVID, because at that point of time there was a lot of awareness programs for COVID vaccinations as well. So we had the mobile vaccine team who also came all the way from East Khasi Hills to participate in these convergence melas. So we had Kong Bernardine who actually supported us in this mela. We had active participation of different departments as well. So this PRI CBO convergence was an opportunity for every department to come together and meet the demands of the community. And what is more essential is that the community realized that with their voices coming together, they can be heard. Through the VPRP, their demands definitely can be met. Their demands at the individual level, at the household level, at the self-help group level, at the village organization level, even at the cluster level, federation level. These demands were listed out. The entire plan was processed and implemented at the village level. Very proud of the LRG cadres across Dalu, Pura Khassia cluster, across Rongram, Thebrong Grey cluster. How they came together for the villages, they represented their community, they went for household visits, they interacted with the NOKMAs, with the VEC secretaries. They are the ones who actually brought this entire convergence initiative into a successful platform for the community.
We have to mobilize people. We have to make a beneficiary list, collecting documents, different line department. We invite them to come to the convergence camp.
We went door to door, talked to our fellow villagers and told them about the camp. Our community embraced the camp because they saw its value. They understood that when we work together, we can achieve more.
The activities that we have been doing, MGNREGA planning, as well as the convergence camp, through these camps, we have been able to bring these services of the government to the grassroots level.
Ya, andiki absan kumongi kam kana gata chinga arude dengtang documents rang dungjachem aru dengtang je Aadhaar card, Ishram card arude gas ya dakabarang kuba chinga songge gatamo chinga watna gata manaha convergence program rangko jerangan nanging gapa card rang dungjachem yarangko chinga yarangko ba chinga segatera baha arude chinga yako segatera bain ba chinga je rangna onna nangachem line department rangna onna ha aru je line department rang baksa chinga nangremi mang ya program rangko BO cluster milli mangna chinga ungat nagata matnaha aru ununi chinga adita person rangko de chinga Ishram card, Aadhaar card, gas takabarangko ba chinga kanega Aadhaar baki wanra wan kiwan lam ha sinong jongi baki wan peni ha sinong jongi yo jing toy sibun mar ka laj yangi penlaj yang penyo jing metoy ngi ban laj chaw wei kisnong na laj chaw wei snong ngi kam lot por
जब हम सोशल डेवलपमेंट प्लान कर रहे थे तो हमें पता चला कि यहाँ पे सोशल इश्यूज जो है वो काफ़ी प्रिवेलेंट है, लेकिन इसके ऊपर बातचीत नहीं हो रही है। तो जब तक हम सोशल इश्यूज पे बातचीत नहीं करेंगे ये सारे इश्यूज जो है वो सॉल्व नहीं हो सकते। तो हमने काउंसलर्स के साथ कन्वर्जेंस करके हमने ये सेशंस हर गाँव में अरेंज कराए। मेंस्ट्रुअल हाइजीन कैसे मेंटेन किया जा सकता है और मेंस्ट्रुअल हाइजीन के जो भी टैबू है, मिसकंसेप्शंस है, उसको दूर करने की कोशिश की।
पहले हम लोग वीओ लोगों को स्ट्रेंथन करने के लिए काफ़ी एक्टिविटी किया है। एक ही तो वीओ कंसब्सिडी मीटिंग किया है वो लोग के साथ और हिंड्रेंस वॉक किया है। हिंड्रेंस वॉक में वो लोग को पता चला है गांव में प्रॉब्लम क्या क्या है। गांव में दूसरा एक सोशल इश्यू था चाइल्ड मैरिज और अर्ली प्रेगनेंसी। उसमें एक वीओ का थ्रू से वो लोग हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंट के साथ बात करके, ब्लॉक के साथ बात करके वो लोग का मदद से वो लोग बच्चा लोग को बुला के एक मीटिंग अरेंज किया है।
So from this program, they were teaching a lot about our society, but the one thing that I remember very well is about the POCSO Act. They have made such a huge impact to our students for instilling such a valuable information to our students, which they do not get from anyone else.
This person who do cruelty to people who below 18 years of age are in POCSO Act. We go to camp for post-school awareness, so we feel good.
The demands that came up in the SDP plan of the VPRP, we started following up with that. So to address the social issues that came up in the SDP, the VOs and the CLFs started taking ownership to materialize the plan that they prepared. So there were issues like adult illiteracy, lack of nutrition, alcoholism, drug abuse. So address all these issues, the CLFs and the VOs, along with the support of the LRGs, they conducted rallies, they conducted adult literacy camps, they formed Anganwadi Nutri Gardens, they formed children's groups and all other such activities.
हमारा बीओ का मेंबर जो है उनको नाम लिखना नहीं आता था, उन लोग अंगूठा मारता था। अडल्ट लिटरेसी क्लास करने के लिए हमारा बीओ पे पैसा नहीं था, तो हमारा एक दिन कन्वर्जेंस कैम्प हुआ है। उस कन्वर्जेंस कैम्प में अडल्ट लिटरेसी के लिए बहुत सारे डिपार्टमेंट ने हमें डोनेशन दिया है। हमने अडल्ट लिटरेसी का क्लास लिया है। अभी जब भी मीटिंग होता है सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप में, बीओ में, वो अभी अपना अंगूठा नहीं देते हैं, वो अपना सिग्नेचर देते हैं।
Ilai baha po senang jengi don kam baha ban yo ya kini ki jeng thong namar duna bang yo iki jhor kom ha po tlang ke duna ba bang yo iki jhor han rai la thong khnang la bu khnang ha po kan ke nutri ka dan ban thong khnang ban yo ya ki khna ban ai ki jing bam da lo long o jing thong ba de ila lek ban sim da ki LRG le ban sim itu jing thong ban ai ha ka an wa ha ki akan wadi teacher na ka nang bat ki sesam ha ki khna ha po akan wadi serta kalau kawai ke belai rap nak ke bantai jong ki kena hapok kasidong dom justi.
तो लाइवलीहुड प्लान जब हमने देखी उसमें बहुत सारी ट्रेनिंग की जो डिमांड है वो आई थी, तो हमने स्किल डेवलपमेंट पे फोकस करने का स्ट्रैटेजी बनाया। स्क्वैश मेकिंग, जाम मेकिंग, पापड़ मेकिंग ट्रेनिंग, देन मशरूम कल्टीवेशंस का ट्रेनिंग, किचन गार्डन का ट्रेनिंग, ये सारी ट्रेनिंग्स हमने कम्युनिटी लेवल पे अरेंज कराए और कम्युनिटी मेंबर्स ने कुछ नया चीज़ सीखा। हमने ये स्ट्रैटेजी भी बनाया कि कैसे उनको मार्केट प्रोवाइड किया जाए, पैकेजिंग और लेबलिंग जो है वो कैसे इम्प्रूव किया जाए। तो हमारे जो लाइवलीहुड एक्सपर्ट है MSRLS की, उनकी मदद से हमने कम्युनिटी मेंबर्स को हेल्प किया।
SA members have become so well equipped with these trainings that they are marketing their products and earning a lot of profit. In the future, we also are expecting a lot of the SCJ members come together, learn these skills, be an entrepreneur and set an example for the villages and for the district as well.
Wana kechngi janggi thangani rangba tege tau gata ungja cham dibe jen salo chinga training rang ko matne skeni rang ko matne ye takpa kham rang ko chinga start ka aha chinga ye chini chips rang ko aro chini dambu rang ko chinga chini bazar rang ko phale bang a profit rang ko aro namgani rang ko matninga aro chinga thang thang so nong ai gija chinga chini rpeng rang ko chini SSG rang ko chinga makhangchi namdabatna aro janggi thangani ko radona chinga ya.
Both the team sat down and we planned a process whereby we had a state level workshop. We had this workshop at the district level and even at the block level. So this has enabled, Meghalaya SRLM to put forth the proposal towards the government of India to layer the PRI-CBO convergence across all the 46 blocks in the state. We believe that through this convergence, we will be able to address multi-dimensional poverty in the rural areas of Meghalaya.